You are now tuning into
Hi, what's up? It's your girl Daisy back with another motherfucking banger, y'all. Like, comment, and subscribe. If you're new, welcome. If you're coming back, thank you for coming back. Much love, B. So real fast, I'm gonna do an unboxing because I just went and got my package. So now I got a mystery box. Oh, I'm fucking with it. Okay, wait, you don't see shit in the back, but look, like, all right. Let's see how many things it comes with. We're gonna show. Oh, bitch. Okay, it's a small. I was just looking like these look a little big. I needed some shorts like this, so that's actually really fucking great that she even. What, I don't know what the hell this is. Okay. It's one of them shirts. It's supposed to be tied on the other corner at the bottom, but okay, this is a nice little fit. Okay, this is a dress. I don't know how I feel about this already. Like, oh, this is gloves. I don't know how I feel about this. The material, the pattern going together, but I'm gonna put it on and we're gonna see for real. Here's the other glove. Here is the dress. Okay, this is it's cute. I'm not gonna cap. It's a cute. She's cute. But I'm gonna go inside real fast and we're gonna try all of this on and we're gonna really give a I'm gonna put the wig on. I'm gonna put the headband on, so it's just like so y'all can really see okay. Damn, I did this pretty fast. She didn't give me no con time. The first time I had ordered from her, it was a card that Kayla Couture, all of that, and it was really cute. What is this? Okay, must be some tape. But I got pretty much a set. I would consider it the black dress and the gloves a set because it's two separate items. And some shorts and a shirt. I got the $25 mystery box, I believe, or the $20 one. Yeah, and it comes with like 2 outfits, pretty much, and it's hot as hell. I'm sorry I can't look at the camera. I'm like focused on a lot of things right now. I'm outside. I gotta watch my surroundings. But I'm about to go inside and we're gonna see how these clothes fit. Tell me what y'all think. Tell me if I should do like a real haul with them. I think I might just, yeah, see y'all inside. Hey, bitch. So here's the motherfucking outfit. Bang, 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 bang. Okay. She cute. At least from this angle, she cute. Because when I was looking in the bathroom, I'm like, these shorts is just not giving. It's just not giving for me. But when I pose, I look like the girlies. I look pretty tanned right now because I was just on some jet skis like 5 days ago, not long ago, okay? Last weekend. Really, I said last weekend I was on some jet skis. Yeah, so I'm a little bit tanned. Just look a little bit more on the browner side. I look dirty red today. The wig is looking crazy. But you feel me? Just wanted y'all to see with the hair. Y'all see me close so I come out of it. Y'all ain't see the Shein haul because the Shein haul is low-key corrupted. And that's why I ain't post last week. But not last week, but what week this is? The week of the 10th, I guess you could say. The week of the 10th. I think that's the day I was supposed to post on the 10th. I don't know, but that day, yeah. ain't post videos fucked up. Yeah. Yeah, I like it. So since I like it, I'm taking the tag off. I'm gonna take the tag off. And then, yeah. So it's a little blue shirt. It's this. It's got the holes on the side. Yeah, I'm messing with it. Tied. Yeah. 360. So next outfit. I'm not gonna have, I really like this. I feel like Betty Boo or something. Ooh, and the booty is poking.
Made that ass clap. Made that ass clap.
Y'all know that TikTok with that black lady who pregnant and she be like, yeah, this dress is really bad. It's really bad. And you see how it pulled up. And even when it pulled up, it was still giving. Like, it's not doing too much at all. She's not doing too much at all. I feel like that girl, I wish it was purple low-key instead of pink because my favorite color is purple. But I'm not even mad at the pink. For real. And I have this little event to go to, and it's black and gold as a theme. I ain't gonna count. And my nails not done. Like, it's really giving.
Bitch, you was not no motherfucking magician.
But this black is so black too. Like, look, like you can't even see my hands touching me. Like, dang. But alright, let me do a 360 for y'all. I think I'm gonna go get my mom's reaction. Not these people's reaction. But yeah, I guess I'll get their reaction to the dress. Because I like it. It's cute. Okay, guys.
Is it a cartoon?
What y'all think about this dress?
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't think it's bad. I kind of like it, but it's like kind of, and it goes with the hair. But where you wearing it?
I'm not wearing it nowhere. I just got it.
Like you got it for what? Just the hat?
It's a mystery box. I didn't know what I was getting.
Oh. So you get to return your mystery box?
No.
I don't know if that's fact or not. I was just saying no being an
No, I paid
ass.
for it.
Okay. Well, I like it.
How you feel, Grandma?
Wait.
How you feel?
Feels good.
About my outfit? No, not.
You asked me how I feel. I told you how I feel. But it look nice. I like it. Yeah.
Okay.
It's pretty.
I don't know why I'm such an asshole, y'all. I really don't know why.
I feel like during Halloween, not Halloween. Did you make it? October, if you wear it.
No, I did not make this.
No. You could make this by yourself.
Yeah, I know.
You buy those things.
I didn't know I was gonna get this. I would have never ordered this.
Yeah, you get your
When I was looking at it in the back, I was like, ooh. When I took it out, I was like, ooh. But then I put it on, I was like, oh, okay, it's giving. She's cute.
Yeah. But next time make your own. But I wouldn't wear that now. Like probably like I said, when it's fall or something.
Yeah.
I wouldn't get it.
So explain to me how I was wearing the dress wrong. Sorry, that wasn't. But yeah, I was wearing it wrong. I had it like all like y'all saw it was like this. It's not. It was supposed to be like this. It was just a little bit crooked. That's all. But I like it. I'll give everything. I'll give this. I want to give it like an 8.5, but like low-key, I really want to give it a 9. So between those two, y'all could pick. And then the other one, I'll give an 8.5. Because I don't got no blue shoes that color. I could probably finesse, of course, but that blue, tricky. And I've been one of the shorts, so the shorts is a 10. And the gloves is really comfortable, perfect fitted. If you have thicker hands than me, the gloves will probably be a little tight. If your arms are a little bit bigger than mine, it'll probably be a little tight on you though. So yeah. But if anything, you just like fold them down if it fits your hand, and if it's too big on your arm, and it could like look like a little rough and perfect. That looks cute because I was wearing it like that low key. So my tattoo could show when I had put it on. But yeah, here's the dress. I'm fucking with all the stuff I got. Stay tuned. Oh, I'm supposed to be closing out the video. I'm talking about some. Yeah, here's the dress. Okay. So it's the end of the month. Let me put some gloss. Thank you, Kayla Couture, for sending me what you sent me. I'm very appreciative for what I got. Not upset at all, Loki. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next one. Like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss nothing. And I know that you like my content. Watch my shorts on YouTube. Fuck with me on there. Fuck with me on TikTok, Instagram, all of the stuff. Everything is pretty much in the description. I don't think my TikTok is in the description, but it should be at the end of the video. So yeah, you still got it. What else? I feel like something, like it's a hair in my nose or something. I'ma see you in the next banger. Alright, now so go open up TikTok, then you go to the search, type in my name. There I am. Yep. Make sure you follow and you turn on that post notification so you could keep up with me on there.